How to restore Instagram deleted photos. In today's video, we're going to show you how to restore deleted photos on Instagram and recover those memories you thought were gone for good. If you've accidentally deleted a photo and you want to know how to recover it, keep watching because we've got some simple solution for you. Now, first things first, what you need to do is open your Instagram app and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, go to your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on three horizontal bars. Now, first thing what we can check is if you have archived the post, not deleted it. Simply tap on archived. Here you can find all the posts that you might have mistakenly archived. Simply choose one and simply tap on show on profile if that's the post that you were trying to recover. If you cannot find it over there, what you can do is simply scroll down and tap on activity, recent activity, or activity center. If you cannot find it, simply you can search for it as well, or you can simply go to your activity and scroll down and find recently deleted. As you can see, we can find our recently deleted post over here. Tap on three horizontal dots or three horizontal bars and simply tap on restore, and here from here you can simply restore your post. Tap on restore and tap on view on profile. Now as you can see here, we have restored our Instagram deleted pictures.